Hi traders, this is Cynthia of Day Trade Forex bringing you a short introductory video to the currency strength meter template. And in this video I'm going to explain the reasons why we want to learn how to use a currency strength meter. There could be no better way for you to learn how to trade currencies than to learn how to use a currency strength meter. And the reason is that most traders do not know how to pick and choose a currency pair to trade when they sit down and they're ready to start their trading session. It's difficult and time consuming because we have 28 possible pairs that we could look at, but we cannot have the patience or the time or the fortitude to flip through 28 charts looking for a tradable pair, and there just has to be an easier and better way. Well, the easier and better way to find a tradable pair is to use a currency strength meter. And what it does is it shows you the value of 8 major currencies, and it's color coded and it has a numerical value system also. I just want to emphasize that using a currency strength meter has become so important to me that I cannot imagine even trading without it. So I thought that it was so important to me that I know it has to be important for all other traders. It's not just about finding the major trend. It's more of finding the right currency pair that's going to give you the most movement and the most pips in the shortest amount of time, and do it as fail-safe as absolutely possible. And that's what a currency strength meter can do for you. It can save you so much time and frustration, and it can give you a win ratio of over 80% once you really learn how to use it. And it's not that hard to learn to use. So I'm introducing you to my favorite currency strength meter. I've created a template which has some of my favorite indicators that help you decide when to enter and when to exit. So at a glance I can see the New Zealand dollar is the weakest, the CAD is the strongest, and you're selling the weak currency and buying the strong currency. And in the PDF I'll be giving you more training videos, and I just want to thank you so much for watching. Thanks again.